Once again, welcome back with another interesting and vital concept which I am going to discuss of your class 8 mathematics on linear equation in one variable, an important concept, word problem and numbers and digits. As per your request, look at the numbers, look at the problem here. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 5. If 9 is subtracted from the number, the digits are reversed. Find the number. So it is a 2-digit number, so it must have two place value. One is 10 digit, other is unit digit. Suppose the digit in the 10 place be x. Since the sum of the digit is equal to 5, so the digit in the unit place must be 5 minus x. So the required number, suppose n1 is equal to 10 times of x plus 1 times of 5 minus x as per the place value, which is 10x plus 5 minus x, 9x plus 5. Thus the required number is 9x plus 5. So if you can find the value of x, you can find the required number. According to the question, if the digits are interchanged, then its 10 digit is 5 minus x, unit digit will be x. So the new number, suppose n2, will be 10 times of 5 minus x plus 1 times of x, which is 50 minus 10x plus x, which is 50 minus 9x, right? According to the question, if 9 is subtracted from the required number, then the digits are interchanged and we shall get the new number which is equal to n2. So n1 minus 9 is equal to n2. The value of n1 is 9x plus 5. The value of n2 is 50 minus 9x. So it will be 9x plus 5 minus 9 is 50 minus 9x. 9x 5 minus 9, which is minus 4, so 50 minus 9x. So the minus 9x will be transposed to the left hand side, minus 4 is transposed to the right hand side, we shall get 9x plus 9x is equal to 50 plus 4. Hence 18x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 by 18, which is 3. Thus digit in the unit place as digit in the 10 place is 3. The required number is 9x plus 5, right? So by putting the value of x, we shall get 9 multiplied 3 plus 5, which is 27 plus 5, which is 32. Therefore the required number is 32. This is one of the vital problem of chapter linear equation in one variable. So dear student, here is an assignment for you. Look at the assignment and try for the assignment. So we shall discuss more and more problem based on the concept of linear equation in one variable. I hope you have understood the questions and try for the assignment. Thank you.